Induced glycolysis from low-voltage bioelectrical stimulation involves applying a small electrical current to the body, which can increase cellular activity, including the process of glycolysis. Glycolysis is the breakdown of glucose in cells to produce energy, and when this process is stimulated, it can lead to increased energy production and altered physiological states. Here's how the effects of this process might be misinterpreted as spiritual experiences. 1. Increased brain activity. Low-voltage bioelectrical stimulation can enhance brain activity by increasing glucose metabolism in certain brain regions. This heightened activity could lead to unusual sensations or altered states of consciousness, which some might interpret as spiritual experiences. People might feel more alert, aware, or even euphoric, similar to how meditation or deep prayer might feel. 2. Altered sensory perceptions. The stimulation could cause changes in how the brain processes sensory information, leading to sensations like tingling, warmth, or a sense of floating. These physical sensations can feel otherworldly or transcendental, leading individuals to interpret them as signs of spiritual presence or enlightenment. 3. Emotional responses. The changes in brain activity and energy levels from induced glycolysis might also trigger strong emotional responses, such as feelings of peace, joy, or profound insight. These emotional states can resemble what some people describe during spiritual or mystical experiences. 4. Endorphin release. Electrical stimulation can also lead to the release of endorphins and other neurotransmitters that create feelings of pleasure and euphoria. This can mimic the deep emotional or ecstatic states that people often associate with spiritual awakening or connection to a higher power. 5. Contextual interpretation. If someone undergoes this bioelectrical stimulation in a context where they expect a spiritual or mystical experience, such as a religious or meditative setting, they might be more likely to interpret the resulting sensations and emotional changes as a spiritual encounter. Our interpretations are heavily influenced by our expectations and cultural or religious beliefs. In summary, the physiological changes caused by induced glycolysis through low-voltage bioelectrical stimulation, such as increased brain activity, altered sensations, emotional responses, and endorphin release, can create experiences that feel unique or profound. When combined with an individual's expectations or beliefs, these experiences could easily be misinterpreted as spiritual in nature, rather than understood as the result of physiological changes in the body.